Using predetermined settings instead of adjustments is an example of this stage.
What is stage 3 or streamlining?
This Japanese word represents leveling the workload.
What is high junka?
This type of diagram is sometimes used to identify top goals and initiatives, resources needed, key metrics, and a high-level plan.
What is a strategy A3?
What is an X matrix?
This workplace organization system helps to build stability.
What is 5S?
Ono said that without these, there can be no Kaizen.
What are standards?
Processes must be scaled to run to this time, in order for one-piece flow to work.
What is tack time?
This type of standard work might include startup meetings and Gemba walks.
What is leader standard work?
SMED is designed to reduce the time it takes to do this.
What is perform a changeover?
This sporty term describes the consensus building process among the levels of an organization.
What is catchball?
Converting internal setup steps to these are what the second stage is all about.
What are external setup steps?
Thanks. That is our show for today.